Yo, what's in the box?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the show. So, I got a bunch of whatnot packages today, but there's so many of them that I might have to break this video up and do part 1, part 2, and maybe part 3. I'm not sure yet. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notification, and send me some likes. With that said, let me get my trusted knife and open the first box. So this is from seller by the name of Bullet 567, and that is BULET 567. And basically, he has this deal. I think it's $25, and you get pick 5 random books. And that's what I did. But what I did was, because he has a deal where highest spender get a slab book, and then if you get like a certain cards and everything, you get your name put on a wheel, and you get another slab book if you win, which was Punisher Limited Series number 1 at a 8.0, and if you're a high spender, you get the Punch number 1, which was a 9.6, and that's what I was going for. But let you know, I didn't win. But I did get some good, nice books from that blind pool. So, this bad boy open, and he always tapes his books up big time. Alright, let's see. Alright, oh, yep, see. 2 packs in this thing. See, I just put my knife down somewhere, and I don't even know where I put my knife at. Oh, right behind me. Let's see what we get in this one. Alright, look, again, he packed this up very well. And so, a lot of these books, I probably will get to neighborhood kids, you know. Cause a lot of these books I really don't need or read. So, first one is Deadpool number 5. And then, oh, this right here's a nice one. Not really a key, because I think he first appeared in issue 13. But this is Guardians of the Galaxy number 14. I think it's the second appearance of Ghost Rider. Space Ghost Rider, I guess. Ooh, this nice one right here. This is Amazing Spider-Man Variant Edition number 7. And I think this is the first appearance of, I think, Spider-Man new Goblin-like costume, or was it Green Goblin's costume? I can't remember which one it was in the background. But yeah, this is a keeper. Definitely know that much. Then I have Guardians of Infinity number 4. So yeah, like I said, a lot of these probably going to neighborhood kids. And then, actually, you know what? I'm going to say Guardians 14 is a keeper too, for now. We'll see. Then we have Moon Girl 29. So yeah. So like I said, neighborhood kids. And I never even heard of this one. This is Crimson number 3. Now, I don't know if it's a bunch of drag queens or just whatever. There's some weird art on that front cover, boy. I know that for sure. That's definitely going to one of the kids. Ooh. This is Sonic the Hedgehog 261. It's part 2 of a storyline, Wave of Change. So, yeah, going to the kid. And then I have Ray #1, companion issue. This probably go with my Ray #1. So yeah, so this actually, and plus, his books are always so clean, like never really any real damage on them and nothing like that. That's why I like to go with Bullet when I buy my books on whatnot. And then we have number 35, the Nam. Now, this, I definitely know I'm not giving it to a kids because it is a very violent book, even back then. But I probably will make little buttons out these. So next time you see me, I'll probably doing buttons. So yeah, so that's a good pull. So I'm keeping these 4 out the first little packet. So yeah. And the other ones, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are going to the neighborhood kids. And also, yeah, he also had the thing too, Bullet, that if you get a blue tape on the back of your book, you get another pull for a book. So yeah. So now, box number 2. I'm telling you, whatnot, very, very addictive. Cause I got so many of these brown boxes on the floor in my room, you just don't understand. But I probably keep these so when I send books up to CBCS or CDC, I have them. Let's see what's in this. Ooh. Another stack of books. Alright. Ooh. So, alright. So, first one we have is Thor 58, but legacy number 560. Look like Thor's having one of those days. Probably couldn't help nobody. Feeling all sad. And then we have Detective Comics, $9.95. I actually know this one. This one, Leslie Tompkins get killed. And look, another blue tape, which means I got a free pick of another book. And then, you know what? I'm keeping it with my my books because I don't think I had that anymore. I think I got rid of it when I sold my collection a while ago. And then we have Detective Comics, $9.93. So yeah. So I'll probably keep this one too. And then we have Captain America 24. Which, again, neighborhood kids. But like I said, these books are very, like, clean. Not really any spine ticks or nothing like that. But too bad they're not really key issues. Then we have Multiversity #1, Mastermen. I guess that's the title of it. Or is it special? So either way, I might keep this one. It's a #1 issue. I'll probably keep it. Alright, then we have Suicide Squad #10. Justice League versus Suicide Squad. Alright. So, And again, going to the kitties. Ooh, King Thor number 2. Bam. I'm not sure if this is a key issue or anything like that, but still, I think I'm gonna send it to the kids in my neighborhood also. Because I don't even have any King Thor books. And then we have, 1998. Gee, that's an old book. Captain America, Sentinel of Liberty, number 1. Ooh, cool. It's a Mark Waid book. Is that Ron Garney? Oh, cool. But yeah. Should I keep it or give it to the kids? I'm gonna give it to the kids. And then we have Spirit number 13. Holiday Special. And it had a blue tape on it, which means I got me a free pull. Yeah. So definitely going to the kids. Alright. So out that, I'm only keeping 3 books. Detective Comics and Multiversity, number 1. And the rest are going with the kitties. Which was all these right here. So some kid will probably have a nice Christmas if they read comics. I'm not sure if they read comics or not, so, but it's still nice to do something for the kids. And that is it. So until I do part 2, peace. And I see you when I see you. Bye-bye.